Yeah, this is where we are today at around 6 o'clock. The guys have set up the scaffolds to enable them to clad the front tomorrow because of the height of this structure. As you can see that it's very high, they couldn't reach to this top, so they need to continue tomorrow and clad right to the top, and hence there's these scaffolds. And then we are also going to work on the roof. We still need to put the rafters, anchor the rafters on the trusses, and to solidify those trusses with the rafters that will be going across, and then also complete that part with about 2 trusses that are left. Yeah, because there's 9 here, and then there will be those trusses going across to solidify or hold this um, roof in terms of the trusses, because that's how it can be solid. So that's where we are today. The apex or the pitch of this house is very high. The trusses are long, they are over at 3 meters, as you can see, or they are 3 meters somewhere there. And then add this height, which is about 3 meters, you get 6 meters. And then add this basement, the platform, the floor from these tubes or poles, which to the feather end there in front is higher, perhaps a meter, and then here 500, half a meter to maybe something like 400 here. So that needs a lot of what you call it, scaffolding to get to the top, because it's very high in terms of the gradient and everything. So I'm standing here on this vantage point just to show the apex or the pitch of the roof is very high. Yeah, so that's why we're going to work with the scaffolds from tomorrow to finish this cladding, which we can't reach with the ladders. And we are also going to get them the lanyards or the safety harnesses, just to make sure that they are protected when they are roofing, and also working on the trusses, anchoring them with the rafters to solidify them, because safety is our concern on sites and on projects. Yeah, so that's how it looks like here. That's the best shot I can take because of the nature of this area. There's a fence here. If there wasn't a fence, I would have taken a very beautiful shot. So this is what we are doing. It's around 6 o'clock now. We try to push today. So this is what they are doing. So this is the area where it's going to be cladded tomorrow, since there is now these scaffolds, and these are the handy planks, Nutec wood grain texture, thick. They give the wood grain finish. The inside doesn't change much, it's still the same OSB boards, as you can see. OSB boards everywhere. And then the floor is still the same floor, the shutter ply boards floor. Okay, I'm inside now. So that's the inside. Yes, shutter ply boards with its rustic look. They've got a very beautiful rustic look. That is the inside, and these are the trusses. That's exactly according to the plan. 114s made of trusses, and yeah, the instruction is for us to make the trusses using the 114s. So this is how it is, and then you get the rafters running across to solidify them. Yeah, so that's all. But generally, this is the level or the height of the house, where minus this part, which is very high, which in future they can even build loft houses, loft rooms on top if they want. Yeah, so this is where we are. This is where we are. The windows have been opened already, as you can see. These are the spaces for the windows. These are the spaces for windows and doors. Spaces for the windows and doors, windows. windows and doors, and these are the views that they will be having, overlooking the olives, plant trees there, olive trees over the mountain. I was standing here having those views there. It's still Stellenbosch, or having these views there. So beautiful views on all angles. You see, it's very green here and very beautiful. Okay, let's look at the progress of the second part of the structure. So that is how it looks like there. The walls have been raised. This is the foyer. Still to be knocked, shut up like boards tomorrow maybe. Okay, so let's go outside and see the second part of the building, where a lot of progress has been done today. Very impressive, quite impressive. Yeah, they really worked very hard. So the house takes a V shape there, as you can see. That's how it is there. The foyer part still to be anchored with shut-up like boards floor, and then we've got these OSB boards. And then that is there. So this is the second part of the house. The openings of the windows and doors, they've been done already. That's how the second part of the house looks like. This is the area where the foyer is, where the two structures meet. The front will be the deck, and there will be the bomber, the fire pit, and the pergola. So thank you for watching. That's the update here for today.